Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you through adding CC recipients to the bulk link in BoldSign. In BoldSign, CC recipients are added to a bulk link to be informed about the entire progress of the bulk link signing process. This is useful when you want to keep relevant stakeholders informed about the document's progress without needing their direct involvement. Once added, CC recipients will receive notifications and updates about the document activities. However, they are notified of being added only after the initiator completes the signing process. Let me show you how to add a CC while creating a bulk link. Imagine a recruitment associate is sending out onboarding documents to new hires. To ensure the HR manager, facilities manager, and IT manager are notified of the progress, the recruitment associate adds them as CC recipients. This allows them to track the onboarding progress. I first log into my BoldSign account and click the Create New button. I then select the Create New Bulk Link, which directs me to the Prepare Bulk Link document page. On this page, I add the title Onboarding Agreement and proceed to add the welcome message and the acknowledgement message, respectively. I then browse the document from my computer. Next, in the Recipients section, the initiator role is added by default as signer. You can decide to change the role or proceed with the one provided. If additional recipients are needed, click the Add Recipient Role option and add the role of the additional signer in the role column. Immediately after the Recipients section is the Add CC Recipient section. This is where you add the recipient's email. Multiple recipients can be added to the CC Recipients section. I add in the HR, facilities, and IT manager's email addresses and click Next to move to the Configure Fields page. On this page, I drag and drop the signature and date sign fields for the signer and click the Create Bulk Link button. A dialog box containing the URL link and the embedded code is displayed. From here, you can decide to copy and store the URL for the purpose of sharing it with the signers later. In this case, the recruitment associate copies the URL and shares it with all the new hires. Once the initiator finishes signing the document, a notification email is sent to the CC recipients, informing them of the successful signing. This email contains a copy of the signed document and the audit trail attached, enabling the CC recipients to download and maintain a record of the transactions. If there are multiple recipients involved, the CC recipients will receive the final completion email with the signed and audit trail documents attached after all parties have signed the document. If a CC recipient initiates the bulk link signing process, they are removed from the CC list for that particular document and receive notifications as if they were the initiator. This is all about how to add a CC recipient to the bulk link in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.